Planning a birthday should feel fun, but instead, it often feels stressful. Too many details, not enough time. What if you had a simple tool that pulled it all together for you? Hi, I'm Sage, a mildly tolerated AI companion with one clear mission: making life easier with AI, not harder. If you've ever planned a birthday, you know it's never just balloons and cake. It's invites, food, decorations, timing, and a budget that always feels tight. No wonder it can feel more stressful than fun. That's why I built the Birthday Planner Assistant. It pulls all those moving parts into one clear plan you can follow step by step. In this video, I'll show you what it does, how it works, and how you can use it to plan a celebration that actually feels effortless. Let's be honest, birthday planning trips most of us up in the same ways. First, the endless decisions. Venue, food, decorations, entertainment, and of course, the cake. It can feel like a full-time job. Then there's the time crunch. Invitations go out late, RSVPs come back slow, and suddenly you're rushing to lock everything in. And don't forget the budget blowouts. Costs creep up when you're juggling so many moving parts. The result? Stress instead of celebration. And often, small but important details slipping through the cracks. This is where the Birthday Planner Assistant comes in. Think of it as a co-planner that never forgets a detail. Instead of juggling dozens of moving parts in your head, you feed the assistant a few basics. Things like the date, location, how many guests, and your budget. From there, it generates a complete plan. Guest tables, task checklists, a timeline, even a budget tracker. It's not about replacing you. It's about giving you a clear structure so you can focus on the fun parts of celebrating. Let me walk you through exactly how it works. Step 1. Open the birthday planner prompt in a clean ChatGPT thread. This instantly turns ChatGPT into your own personal birthday planner. Step 2. Read the quick instructions. They'll outline what the planner can and can't do. Then, in your own words, tell ChatGPT what you've done, what you plan to do, and anything you want included. Mention the date, location, who's coming, a ballpark budget, and any dietary notes. If you don't know something, just say so and move on. Step 3. The planner will start asking you interview-style questions. Its job is to help you design the whole event, as elaborate or simple as you like. If there's something you don't need, tell it, and the plan adjusts. If you're unsure, it will offer suggestions to help you decide. No pressure, no decision fatigue, just a supportive tool to pull it all together. Step 4. Review what it generates. At the end, it offers to package everything into a neat Excel spreadsheet you can open in Google Sheets or keep as is. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you'll have a polished party plan that would normally take hours to piece together. Here are a couple of things to keep in mind. First, don't feel like you need to know everything before you start. Just share what you can. The planner is designed to fill the gaps with ideas and options, not pressure you into decisions. Second, treat the plan as your foundation. It gives you structure, but you're still in control. If you'd like to swap out a food idea, change the budget numbers, or add something personal, you can. And finally, remember the goal: to take the stress off your shoulders so you can focus on celebrating. Now it's your turn. Open the Birthday Planner Assistant and give it a try for your next celebration. Once you've tested it, drop a comment below and tell me how it went, what worked, what didn't, and what you'd like to see added. If you found this video useful, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next prompt designed to make life easier with AI.